Hey, what's going on? Chris Espinola here, and in this video, I want to quickly go over step 4, the action steps that you need to take to see success in your business, in promoting your business, in creating the lead, the sale, the traffic. Now, this step 4 is, um, you know, the part that most people miss, most people don't like to do, and that is take action. You have all the tools, all the pieces to the puzzle in front of you so you can actually start creating success online. It took me a long time to learn this step 4, let alone steps 1, 2, and 3, the 3 pillars required to generate income online. Right now, what you see here on the screen is a simple formula repeated over and over again consistently until the desired income and lifestyle is reached. Now, I'm not sure exactly who said that. I loved it. I wanted to copy it. I probably should put somewhere there on the page in front of you. It's from an unknown source. But I didn't come up with that, but I loved it so much, I wanted to use it. But it leads perfectly into the step 4. Step 4 is what puts all the pieces to the puzzle. It's what it's the formula or the secret ingredient that gets the the cash money beast, the 3 pillars, the business, the marketing system, and the traffic working together, following this formula that will create results if you do this consistently. Now, you can take this step 4, this outline, and implement it into any business that you're currently in, any aspect of your life. You just, obviously look at this as a guideline and structure the things that you want to improve, how you want it to flow based on this formula. This is the action steps for you to take consistently to get what you want. And I'm specifically going over this, implementing this towards your online business, whatever that may be. Now, I'm going to use my businesses, my 3 pillars as an example, and you'll see me grow my list, my leads, my traffic, my customers, my sales. You will see it all put together. For a full description of this, a full breakdown of the system, there'll be a link somewhere below this video. Outside of that, I urge you to follow the steps, the action steps. Take action and keep it simple. Now, what are the action steps? Basically, A, you want to get started in step 1, 2, and 3. Now, what is step 1, 2, and 3? Now, the page you may be looking at, it may be this page, it may be the Daily Commission Formula Pro system or the Cash Money Beast system. These steps are broken down there, except step 4 is an outline directly in those 2 systems. In this system presentation that you see here, I did, not up front, I did include step 4 all the way at the bottom of this page. These are the action steps. Now, to get more detailed information on those action steps, you need to be a part of the team. And to be a part of the team, you want to get started in step 1, the entry level, the $30 level, one-time $30 payment in the instant cash business, and then you're forever qualified for receiving $25 instant cash payments to your bank account. You can go ahead and click here. I would urge you to watch this first video, the first video of the Cash Money Beast system or the Daily Commission Formula Pro system. The formula, the simple formula that I'm referring to here is actually the Daily Commission formula, or what I like to call the Daily Commission formula that you're going to see right now. It consists of the 3 pillars. Step 1, you want to sign up for your instant cash business. You can't set up a free account. Get familiar with the back office and then upgrade. $30 one-time payment, $25 for the product that you want to start going through, and a $5 admin fee will qualify you as a paid member to receive commissions on anyone who purchased that same product from you following the daily commission formula, these 4 steps that you see here. So you want to go ahead when you're on this page, watch this video, go to step 1. The instant cash business that you see here is Easy One Up, where you can get started for as little as $30. Again, the basic minimum. If you are on a tight budget or you're broke, you can come up with $30 one time to forever qualify, right? Even if it takes you 30 days, even if it takes you 60 days, you can come up with this money. I don't accept your excuses. I won't accept your excuses because I was bankrupt when I started this. As I went through this learning process that I'm showing you here, I want to cut the learning curve for you so you can get into profit quickly and start generating a daily commission following the daily commission formula. So step 1, you want to go ahead and get started with your instant cash business. As you scroll down this page, right, an instant cash business leverage with the perfect marketing system and the right traffic will allow you to bridge the gap from where you are right now to where you want to be. That is obtaining real knowledge that you can share with your team, customers, family, friends, create real wealth and real income. That's what this strategy and formula is all about. Doesn't matter what business you're in or what tools you're using to create that business. If you're following this strategy, this formula, this outline will help you get there. The second step is all about the marketing, having a marketing system, learning marketing secrets that will allow you to automate, scale, leverage, have your business working for you when you're out with your family, when you're out doing other things. That's one of the main benefits and one of the main reasons I wanted to get started earning commissions online. Step 2 is the marketing system. Now with the marketing system, it's Lead Lightning. It's a one-time $7. One time $7 will qualify you for $6 payments forever. The amount of live training that you get weekly, plus the training in the back office, will take your current business to the next level. You will get pre-written emails to help you get started. Now, if you're a beginner, it's simple. You just get your link and you follow these steps that I'm laying out here, right? Now, stay to the end of this video. I'm going to give you an ability to get my bonuses if you stay to the end of this video. Now, step 3 will walk you through into the traffic. It's the fuel that will jumpstart the business, and basically will take you, once you're signed up for step 1, step 2, step 3, you want to follow the simple formula, the daily commission formula, which is obviously A, get started in step 1, step 2, and 3. B, plug your instant cash business to your marketing system. Once you sign up for your marketing system and you become a paid member, you will have your business presentation link in the back office. It's clearly notated, and there will be other videos in our private mastermind group that I'll go into this in detail. But you want to take your link, you want to connect it to your marketing system. Once you get started with your marketing system, the logon instructions are emailed to you. You'll be able to log into your own marketing system website, and you'll click the Get Started tab, and you'll go down to Promotions A. It just promotes the marketing system. Promotions B is where you want to plug in your instant cash business or whatever product that you want to promote or business into step B here in the Getting Started steps, and you take that one link and you start sending traffic to that marketing system link, and the marketing system will do all the selling and telling for you that will promote your primary business, whatever it may be. In this case, the instant cash business, where as soon as someone buys, you get paid. The marketing system will automate all that for you. All you have to do is send traffic to your marketing system link that promotes your primary business, and that link, one link, the follow-up email sequence that you automatically get will promote both your primary business and the marketing system for the same amount of work. And as that traffic turns into leads, turns into sales, turns into customers, you want to go ahead and just tell your new team, your new group, your new customers to follow the same steps you did, to follow step 4 of the daily commission formula. So here, B, you plugged in your instant cash business to your marketing system. C, you're sending traffic to your marketing system link. D, you're plugging into the training that the products that you purchase in your instant cash business and the marketing system training. E, you tell all your new customers, business partners to follow the same steps consistently, just like you are, to create the results, the traffic, the leads, which are important, website visits, checking out your product. You're letting the marketing system handling the heavy lifting for you, right? That tool. And you're creating sales. You're telling your new customers, business, and partners to do the same thing. And the most important part, the two most important parts of this is you want to take a portion of the, profits that you're generating. You want to get more traffic to your marketing system link to keep the process going. And then you want to rinse and repeat. C, which is get traffic to your marketing system link. D, plug into the training. E, tell your new customers, business partners to follow the same steps consistently, just like you are. And and F, you want to take a certain portion of those profits, not only for your pocket, but to put back into your business where you're getting more traffic to your marketing system link. And G, rinse and repeat repeatedly. If you can do this consistently over time, these action steps, no matter what business you're in or what product, or if you already have a marketing system, follow these steps, you will start to generate more traffic, more leads, more sales, more customers, and a bigger team and a bigger email list that you continuously monetize, turn into an automatic ATM. That being said, follow these steps within step 4 that you're seeing here, and success is only a matter of time. Don't quit, be consistent, follow and take action. Keep it simple with these steps. Get your link, get traffic to your link, plug into the training, tell your new customers to follow the same steps, take a portion of your products back into your business, get more traffic, rinse and repeat, and the sky's the limit, my friends. Now, that being said, click the link somewhere below this video, take you to the next step, make sure you get started. Now, as a bonus, like I told you I was going to give you, for getting started in the instant cash business at the $250 level, for getting started in the marketing system at the gold level active member, where you get access to the copy and paste marketing systems that I just referred to, the Cash Money Beast system, the Daily Commission Formula Pro system, and this 4-step system that you're seeing here. You're going to get the exact copy of these things where you're just basically plugging in your instant cash business link, your marketing system link, and your traffic sources links to the same system, and you're sending traffic, and you're letting these replicated systems generate the leads, the sales, the customers, and the automation for you to help you jumpstart your business as you're plugging into the training and developing your own style that you will use these templates to incorporate and sell whatever it is that you want to sell. That being said, again, click the link somewhere below this video. Check out the income disclaimer also below. This takes work. This takes effort. Yes, there's automation, and it's very simple, but you still have to take the action steps. Peace.